Desk in the Oval Office, President Donald Trump signed a flurry of executive orders and decrees aimed at cracking down on the immigration. From one order tackling the definition of birthright citizenship to another declaring illegal immigration at the border a national emergency, Trump swiftly made moves on his promises to tighten the US-Mexico border. But some of his plans, particularly around changing the definition of birthright citizenship, are likely to face significant hurdles. He is already facing legal challenges from immigration advocacy groups, which have reacted furiously to his announcement. One organization said his plans do not hold and uphold the American values and Constitution, and another said Trump administration was actively trying to destroy our lives. In his inaugural address earlier in the day, Trump vowed that all illegal entry will be halted and that millions of criminal aliens would be deported. He also signed an order declaring Mexican drug cartel terrorist organizations. "I have no higher responsibility than to defend our country from threats and invasion," he explained. At another event at the Washington Capitol One Arena, Trump formally revoked nearly 80 executive actions of his predecessor, Joe Biden. He had previously voted to scrap Biden's policies within 5 minutes. Following his inauguration, he also signed a proclamation that gave officials the authority to repel, repatriate, or remove migrants until he was satisfied that the invasion at the southern border had ceased. Although the details of the order are not yet known, officials have said that Trump plans to end birthright citizenship. That refers to an approach of the United States government whereby anyone born on American soil is considered a citizen at birth, regardless of their parents' immigration status. Trump appears to be seeking to change the rule so that the children of undocumented migrants living in the United States will no longer automatically be considered US citizens. It would not apply retrospectively. Exactly how he intends to achieve this is unclear. However, because of the birthright citizenship is enshrined in the Constitution and would require a two-thirds vote in both chambers of Congress to change. Trump has instructed federal agencies to stop issuing documentation to children born in the United States to parents who are in country illegally or on temporary visas, which could effectively deny them access to public